Have you ever noticed how there seem to be those people on Facebook who see all of your posts? They comment on everything that you're doing, and you're wondering, how are they seeing all of it? Well, today I am going to share with you my secret weapon for keeping track of all of the people that I want to see on Facebook. Because let's face it, there's 2 billion people on Facebook, and it's really time consuming and challenging for me to type in each and every single name every single day of the people that I want to connect with. And Facebook is only showing you about 25 of your friends consistently in your timeline feed. So today I am going to share with you my secret weapon, the Facebook friend lists, to keep track of your prospects, your friends, your family, your ideal customers, even new members to your Facebook group, so you never miss out on their posts. You get to give love to them and engage with them, make them feel seen, heard, and cared about, and you get to do it while leveraging your time. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Lindsay Sewell, and I help you to unlock your full potential, to stand out online, and to build a business that you love that is full of leverage, like these Facebook friends lists. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you go ahead, hit the bell notification to subscribe. And now let's head over to Facebook, where I am going to teach you my secret weapon, the Facebook friends list. This is exactly what I used when I was first building my business, so that I could keep track of the people that I wanted to connect with to see if they were interested in my products or joining my team. And it's how I kept on track of my new teammates as they joined my team. It's how I created a very powerful culture inside my Facebook community as new members joined. And as of today, you are going to have that secret weapon too. So let's head over there now. So here we are over on Facebook, and I am going to teach you how to set up a friends list. So if you are on your home screen over on the Explore tab on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Friend Lists, and you will be taken over to the area where you can create a friends list. What is so cool about this tool is that it allows you to actually see posts from a specific group of people, love on those posts, engage with those people without having the distraction of the 2 billion people on Facebook. Because honestly, Facebook is choosing whose content they're going to put into your timeline. You're not having a choice over that. So if you want to keep in touch with people and you don't want to have to type every single one of their names in every single day to see their posts, you can use this super ninja tool to create a list of those specific people that you want to continue engaging with. This is a great thing to do if you have a team and you want to go help make sure that you're seeing their posts, that you're loving on them, that they feel seen by you. If you're a coach and there are certain people that you are coaching on social media, on business, and you want to keep track of their posts. If you have customers or prospects, or if you're building a group and a community and you want to make sure that the new members of your community feel appreciated, loved, and seen, you can create a friends list of anybody that you want. So how do you do this? You head to friends list and you go to create list. And this is going to allow you to name this list. So for the sake of this purpose, we're just going to call this new cool peeps. Here we go, new cool peeps. I would suggest that once per month, you pick a certain group of people that you really want to focus on for that month and make sure that they receive engagement, receive encouragement, because honestly, online, on social media, you have to give before you can receive. So if you want Facebook to, feature your posts, if you want people to see your content, you need to be respectful of the platform and be out there engaging with other people's stuff. So now you can just come over here and you can start adding new members. So I'm going to select a couple people who I want to add to my friends list. So we've got my good friend Sarah Lovely here. We've got Elisa. I'm going to add Elisa to my list. And let's add my friend Kim board. Okay, so I've got these new friends on my list. You can add as many as you want. And when you create this list, they're not going to know that you've done this. They're not going to see anything strange or out of the blue, but you are going to be able to pull up this feed of only my new cool peeps, and I will see only their content in my feed. So instead of a, timeline full of all kinds of other posts and ads, I am going to see only their posts, and every single day throughout the month or every other day, I can go through and I can engage on just these people's posts and make sure they feel appreciated, seen, and heard. So this is the power of the friends list for you to track your current customers, your potential prospects, your coaching clients, your new community members, anybody on Facebook that you want to be able to keep tabs on and see their content front and center. This is an incredible tool. So I hope that was valuable for you today, and I can't wait to see what you start doing with your new friends list.